I believe what my father told me when I was younger, you know, when you find something you love, you'll never work a day in your life. You will work, this is true, but you'll love what you're doing. Hi everyone, I'm very excited because I have Cashmere here, but I also have Becky here. I have Becky Kevelson of Clinton Hill. There's a lot of cashmere here, it's really soft. You have always been knitting.
I was in my parents' house last week and I found a picture of myself knitting in 1991, so I was 5 years old. It was like really exciting to find yourself knitting at 5.
Yeah, and she's carried out her passion because you have created this line of cashmere.
Yes.
First off, why cashmere?
This is a super fine fiber,
right,
but it's something special that you can treat yourself to.
And I think that's important to knitters. There's nothing better than having like a really fine piece of like cashmere. It's like, when I was touching this, I was like, I can't remember the last time I touched cashmere. You know, knitters and crocheters are such givers. I think the cashmere kind of takes it back and says like, take some time for you.
Absolutely. The cashmere is from one of the best mills. So it's pre-washed, which means it's super soft. It feels so good while you're knitting it that you kind of are even gifting yourself in the knitting process.
I love that. I love that, first off, that you are a boss lady.
I love hearing that. It makes you feel good.
I think that's important because it takes a lot of guts to be an entrepreneur.
Statement, because I think it's so true and I feel so grateful every day that this has become a reality.
So someone goes to clintonhillcashmere.com, what are they gonna find?
So there's 2 options. You can buy yarn, just yarn for any kind of project that you're thinking of making, or you're going to get a kit. And in the kit, you're gonna get the pattern complimentary and the amount of yarn that you need. And then also we're in 11 plus knitting stores around the country.
Ah, I was going to ask if you were in a knit shop. That's very exciting.
Yes, patterns are also free with the purchase at all the yarn stores. So anything you get online, you'll get in the store.
Okay, so Becky, I love cashmere. What makes cashmere cashmere?
I don't know if everybody knows, but cashmere comes from a goat. And it's the underbelly of a goat. The underbelly is typically a softer fur.
So soft. Tell us, how does one properly care for cashmere?
So the best thing to do with cashmere is keep them protected in a closet. For washing, actually like wash in the washing machine. I
feel like
my
millions
garments
of people just gasp.
So, but I want to say that with like a lot of asterisks, like, this needs to be by itself in a laundry bag, cold water, lay flat to dry. There's a lot that goes into it. Don't ever hang any hand knits wet. Unless you really, really want them to stretch to forever. Forever. You can definitely dry clean these. Again, I would make sure that you're using a dry cleaner that knows cashmere, knows hand knits. I typically steam all of these and it lets it bloom. Which will make it even more soft than it already is.
And this is, and blooming means that it's like super soft like this piece right
here.
And
it kind of like fluffs into the stitch.
And what is this piece? This is like something that I would wear.
Yes.
It is something I wear. Oh my gosh.
So this is called the Urban Wrap. It's kind of like my dream wrap.
This is literally stockinette stitch.
Stockinette stitch with a rib border. I mean, it's so simple. The yarn and the feeling is what makes it so special because it's all blocked by ball. So you don't have to think like, how many inches do I need to go?
Just
knit a ball.
You did work in a knit shop.
I did.
That's such a knit shop thing. And then this hat right here.
This is called the Uncle John's Beanie.
Why Uncle John?
Uncle John's Band is a song, a Grateful Dead song.
Oh wow, okay.
And
all right, we went there. All right, cool, I'm into it.
My dad is a big Grateful Dead fan and we were thinking and I was like, let's use a play on beanie. And so we're like, Uncle John's beanies, like Uncle John's band.
You should buy the yarn just so you can touch it. Even if you're not a knitter or crocheter, just buy it. Just buy it and pet it. That's what I'm into. Thanks so much for joining us, guys. And now tell us, where can we find Clinton Hill?
You can find us on Instagram at Clinton Hill Cashmere and online at clintonhillcashmere.com.
That is so wonderful. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And now we like to ask questions.
I would love to know if you've ever knit with cashmere before.
Oh, have you knit with cashmere? So leave your comments below, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Can I try it on?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh okay, this is usually my gig. I try on hats. I've been told I have a hat face.
You have a total hat face, and you have really good hat hair.
I have good hat hair, guys.